Hey, and thanks for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this simple hairstyle that you can do on your toddler. I got this style from Sakura and Safari. They have a YouTube channel here on YouTube. I'll link it down below, and she did a hairstyle on her little toddler and I loved how it came out, so I said let me try it on my toddler and see how it comes out. They do have different hair textures. Leann hair is more curly and her daughter hair is like straight and is a little longer, so it's a little different. It came out a little different, but I still went ahead and did it. So I just washed Leann's hair, so her hair is freshly washed. And so today what I'm gonna do is part out the top and the two sides and put them up in rubber bands, and then I'm gonna freestyle by parting on the back. So along with the Vaseline, I'm also spraying in this little bottle that you see I have here my mixture of natural oils. So what's in there is some water, some Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, and extra virgin olive oil, and I just made a little mixture and put it in that spray bottle. So that's why I spray on her hair along with the Vaseline when I'm styling it. And this has really grown her hair, guys. Over the whole year her hair has really grown, and I've just been using these natural oils on her hair. So as you can see in the back, I freestyled and did a lot of different little parts. You can actually just do 4 parts if you want something more simple, but I did 4 parts on each and then a big triangle in the middle. I was just, freestyling, but you can actually do like 4 parts and come down the middle. So I already have her sides done and her back, so now I'm gonna focus on the front. And this style in the front, it has alternated twists. So this one in the front, I'm gonna start and I'm gonna place it going to the right, and then the next one behind of it, I'm gonna place it going to the left, and then vice versa like that, to the right and then to the left. So I'm gonna do 4 of them, just like how the lady in the video did on her daughter's hair. So as I'm getting into the middle of her hair, it's getting more thicker, and I'm just trying to smooth it down here with the comb and the brush. So her hair in the middle is a lot more thicker, so I tried to get it as flat as I could because her hair is so curly and wavy as well up in there. I also like to just twist her ends into like bantu knots. Her hair curls up at the end, so I just twist it into bantu knots so that it wouldn't be frizzy at the end as well. And there you have it. So she wouldn't let me leave her sit down and take a picture of her hair, so this is the best we're gonna get of how it looks. She was just over it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you try this style on your little toddlers and let me know how it came out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so I know that you like these kind of videos, and I'll keep doing little hair tutorials on my little mama as her hair continues to grow. See y'all.